Elementary School. We like to collaborate with community partnerships and organizations throughout the community, and so me and Mr. Vogel, we decided that it'd be really cool to organize Chief of the Day to incorporate a new PBIS program here at Bedminster. And essentially how it worked was students receive golden paws, and they come down every Wednesday, and when they give me their golden paw, they would receive a blue ticket to be in a drawing for Chief of the Day.
And number 22, Marty.
And when they got picked, their Chief of the Day prize was to go to the Bedminster Police Station, and they were sworn in by a judge, they received a badge, and were really recognized for their hard work. And then they were escorted to school through a police line and had a car with lights on, and then they'll have lunch with the officers today.
The hands like this, okay? All right. I, Lucas, promise that I will support, obey, and defend. Promise that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of this Commonwealth and the rules of Bedminster Elementary. And I promise to always display good Bobcat behavior. And I promise to always display good Bobcat behavior. And I promise to always display good Bobcat behavior. Here you go. Nice job. Nice job. Nice. Fantastic. All right. Congratulations. Wow, that's great. Well, congratulations.
We've been looking for different ideas on how to connect with the elementary school students. When we're in a rural area like Bedminster, it's difficult because there's not a lot of opportunities to connect in a atmosphere like this. So we had seen some other departments throughout the country that had run this program, Chief for a Day, and we thought it'd be a perfect opportunity here for Bedminster for us to reward the kids for good behavior, but really to interact with them, get to know them, for them to get to know us, so that, you know, at some point if we have to help them in the future or get called to serve them at their house, they, you know, lets their guard down. Now, Pennridge has been great from the get-go, from the day we proposed this. Mr. Vogel was 100% behind it, loved the idea, and loved how we were able to interweave it with their already behavior plan that was in place, and to tie it in with today. And the officers will be here tomorrow for field day, just a continuation of the kind of community building we're trying to do. Yeah, so just use your arm and wave them in. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right, and then we'll see who comes out here.
And also from a counseling standpoint, it tied in career and knowledge about different things that they can do when they're older. They got to take a tour of the police station, they got to meet a judge, and they got to meet officers, so they really got a chance to see what it looks like in a realm that they might even be interested in as a career one day, which was important from the counseling realm as well. So yeah.